Praise the Lord. Are you a content creator who's struggling to stay consistent on YouTube and uploading videos for your audience to watch? Well, in this video, I want to share 3 important tips on how you can stay consistent on YouTube and uploading videos while you're still working a 9 to 5 job. And we're starting right now. Hi, my name is Walter Strong, the host of The Huddle, where we share helpful tips for working class content creators like yourself to grow your channel, get more views, and make money online. How do you stay consistent on YouTube and uploading videos without burning yourself out for your audience while you're working a 9 to 5 job? Well, here are 3 important tips I believe you really need to take hold to answer that question. Tip number 1, create yourself a realistic content schedule that you can work with that works with your job 9 to 5, your family life, and other personal responsibilities that you have. A content schedule that's realistic, that day 1 spending 20 to 30 minutes where you're spending time researching your content topics and your video ideas and the goal of your videos and the audience that you're trying to reach and the results that you're looking to get from the videos. Day 2, you spend time planning out the video. What type of video format it's going to be? Is it going to be a YouTube short? Is it going to be horizontal, long form videos, live streams? Spend time planning out your content and then working on the thumbnail that works with the content topic and your title that's compelling and consistent. And then from day 3, you want to spend time batch recording your videos. Now, notice I didn't say recording a video, but batch recording your videos because you want to be able to put content together that forms into a series or a playlist that's going to keep your viewers on your platform and watching your content. And then day 4, you spend time editing your video. You spend time adding B-roll and telling a story through the editing that's going to keep your viewers' attention throughout your videos. And then day 5, you spend time uploading the videos to YouTube, making sure they're optimized, and then either day 5 or 6, you publish your videos. And that's a realistic content schedule that works with your 9 to 5 job, that works with your family life. Tip number 2, have a consistent brand message. Now, most people tend to think being consistent on YouTube is about uploading a video once or twice every week. They think it's upload frequency. But when I talk about consistency, I'm talking about the brand message. Is it in line with the goal of your channel that's in your YouTube description that you promise viewers that they can expect from your YouTube channel? Is it in line with your value proposition that you promise that viewers can expect to receive when they watch your videos? And is it consistent with a brand message that lets viewers know, new and existing, that you don't view them as just a metric, view or number or subscriber, but you view them as a real person that have real needs, and you are offering real solutions to improve the quality of their life. And then finally, you want to be able to just learn to become reliable over time to your audience, your tribe that you are building on your YouTube channel. Millions of videos and views are uploaded to the channel in a day's time. But unfortunately, with all those videos being uploaded by content creators, not all of them, most times, are not quality content and quality videos. So it's an opportunity for you to be able to be a content creator who offers quality content, who's being consistent, not just in upload, but in your consistent brand message, and you are becoming reliable. Your audience sees you as a reliable source who is an authority, an expert on a topic in an area that they need help in. And so you taking the opportunity and creating quality content, being consistent, and being reliable helps you to be able to stay consistent on YouTube. And so the question of the day that I have for you, my fellow creator, is this: which of these 3 tips that I've shared with you that you need to start implementing as a part of your content creation process? Let me know in the comment section. And if this video's added value to you, do me a favor. Click the like button, which is the thumbs up. Share this on your favorite social media platform. And subscribe to the Huddle, where we share helpful tips for working class content creators like yourself to grow your channel, get more views, and to make money online. Hey, YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. So, with each video that you upload it with the purpose and the intent that you're seeking to add quality and value to your viewers who watch your content. Hey, check out this video that YouTube is going to show you next, or I'll see you in the next video.